Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is rectangle tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use rectangle tool in CorelDraw. So the rectangle tool is the most useful tool in CorelDraw. We can create rectangles, squares, business cards and designs and many more things with the help of rectangle tool. So let's see how it's work. First go over here and select the rectangle tool from here. Then drag it like that. Now let's see the property bar. First we have object position. From here we can change the object position. Like I want to change x-axis. And then I want to change y-axis, so we can change the object position just like that. Then we have object size. From here we can change the object size. For example, I want to give a business card size to this rectangle, so 3.5 horizontally and then 2.0 vertically. This is the business card size, and we can change the scale factor from here. And here you can see a small lock. If I lock it from here, then change the object size like 4.5, and when I press enter, the vertical size will automatically come according to it like that. And if I remove the lock from here and then change the size and press enter, so we can change the size only just from one side. Then we have angle of rotation. From here we can change the angle of rotation. For example, I want to angle of rotation 45, just like that. Then we have mirror buttons, and from here we can change the left and right corner roundness. Like I want to change the roundness in 10th and 50, just like that. We can change the rectangle corner roundness from here. And we have same lock, just like that. Then we have outline width. From here we can change the outline width just like that. Now copy it and fill the color. And now let's see the mirror buttons. It works like that. Then we have to front and to back. I want to move this object to back of this object. Move it like that and select the shape and click on to front like that. And if you want to back it, you can do it from here. From here we can change it, convert to curves. I want to create a business card just to show you. we can make a simple design just like that. So in that way we can use rectangle tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.